Barbie Forteza and Ivana Alawi recently reunited on one screen. Kapuso primetime princess Barbie Forteza took a nostalgic trip down memory lane in social media personality Ivana Alawi's vlog. On Ivana's YouTube channel, the content creator and Barbie teamed up for a fun-filled ukay-ukay and dampa trip, where Barbie also reminisced about her early auditions when the day's activities were brought up. When Ivana asked Barbie if she would be okay with budget shopping, she responded, "Oo naman. Lalo na ako, Miss Cory ako. Miss Cory pot, kuripot. Pero, matagal na akong hindi nakakapag-budget shopping kaya excited ako for today. Noong nag-audition pa ako, taga Binyan, Laguna kasi ako talaga. Sa Binyan, nagbubus kami pa Ayala tapos from Ayala, mag-Murta Kamuning." Barbie reminisced before they decided to take the MRT to go to Cubao. The duo had a ₱1,000 budget for their ukay-ukay shopping and took on the challenge of dressing each other up. Barbie said going to ukay-ukay was her favorite. She shared, "Ayan yung sinusuot ko noong nagdetera ako sa commercial. Mayroon akong swerteng jumper na pink tapos ayan, lagi akong nakukuha kapag yun yung suot ko." They also talked about their first project together on the youth-oriented drama 2012 drama Twin Hearts. Ivana shared that she was scared of the artists, especially Barbie, since she was portraying a lead role. However, she said that Barbie approached her and invited her to eat. Even after all these years, Ivana praises Barbie for her kindness and sincerity. She noted, "Hindi ko siya makakalimutan kasi siya ay sobrang bait, totoo talaga siya." Previously, Barbie and Ivana posted a TikTok dance, marking their first vlog collaboration. On TikTok, Barbie captioned, "Happy to see you again, gorgeous at Ivana Alawi. Excited na kung mapanood ang vlog natin sa channel mo." Ivana replied in the comments section, "Love you." Barbie and Ivana's vlog was released on Sunday, March 2, and has already garnered almost 1 million views as of this writing.